Good morning, students. In this video, I would like to show you how to add your liftoff task in your portfolios. As always, you can click on the dots here on the side, go to Sites, and then click on your portfolio. And then open it up. Remember to press the publish button every time you make any changes on your website, okay? You have to press publish, which is right in this corner, once you make some changes. So right now what we're going to do is we're going to add our liftoff task. So you can go to Matters and liftoff task. And what you're going to do is you're literally going to put your page in here, and the way you do that is you go to Drive and you search for liftoff task under your drive. So my drive is obviously very different than yours, but you will look for the liftoff task and you will click on it and it will add it into your screen over here. So mine is very different. So if you try to follow along with mine, it's not going to look the same. But basically, you go to your drive and you look for this one that says liftoff task right here. It should look like this, and you will input that in here. Then you write a little bit of a reflection saying what you learned in this task, okay? So I wrote, this liftoff task made me think about how we use our resources and how it affects the sea and actually dried out. So you're reflecting on this unit, and it's your reflection on what you learned. And that's how you insert it in here. I hope that helped.